Hey there, health enthusiasts. Have you ever stopped to think about how amazing rice is? I mean, it's one of the most popular staples on the planet, but here's the kicker. Not all rice is created equal. Let's uncover some of its incredible varieties and their health benefits. First up, brown rice. It's like white rice's cool, healthy cousin. Packed with fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants, it's fantastic for digestion and keeps you fuller for longer. Plus, it's got a nutty flavor that'll make your taste buds dance. Next, black rice, also called forbidden rice. Why? Because centuries ago it was reserved for royalty. Loaded with anthocyanins, the same antioxidant in blueberries, this rice boosts brain and heart health like a champ. And let's not forget wild rice. Technically a grass, but it's high in protein and low in calories. It's like the protein bar of the rice world. Perfect for building muscle or staying lean. For lighter options, jasmine or basmati rice are aromatic heroes. They're easier on the stomach and have a lower glycemic index compared to regular white rice. So whether you're looking for energy, better digestion, or glowing skin, rice has got your back. Remember, the key is variety and balance. Healthy eating can be delicious too. Hit that like button if you're ready to give these rice superstars a try. And subscribe for more tips to fuel your body and mind. Stay healthy.
Kindly like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more healthy diets tips.